Hi guys, today I'm with the Toyota and we're going to be fitting a screen in this car. So as we go inside, this is the screen that I'm going to be installing and it's going to replace this. If you want to purchase the screen yourself, the link is in the description, so click on the link. And if you have a Toyota Aygo or a Peugeot 107 or a Citroën C1, which is the same model as this, then feel free to click on the link and then purchase this. And if this is your first time to this channel, my name is Andrew. On this channel we talk about DIY things or things like this. So if you do like content like that, please do remember to subscribe and be part of this Alpha Customs journey. And what are we waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking. I might not be able to record everything, but I'm going to show you guys the majority of it. So first we want to remove this plastic bit. So we got a plastic trim removing tool here and we're going to just start clipping these out, and this button needs to come out. So as you can see, this will get replaced here and then these buttons will go inside here and then it should all be good. So it's pretty easy. As you can see, this bit just comes out, and as soon as you get the trim removing tool, you get access to the wires behind. You want to disconnect these, disconnect that, and then the radio should come out, and then there's 3 wires at the bottom that you want to remove too. The way you remove these are with these clips on the side. So as you can see, there's clips on the sides that you want to just push and then pull it out. With the bottom ones, you want to just squeeze these little tabs. Then lastly, you want to take out these sockets or these plastic bits, which are the buttons. So once you have taken out these plugs, then you just push them into place and they will be in place into a new bit. The screen doesn't actually come as one, it comes apart from the fascia, but I've just pushed the screen in so it's as one. But when it comes through the packaging, the plastic bit, which is here, will be separate to the actual screen. And all you have to do is just push it in. So what we're going to be doing now is installing the actual screen. As you can see, all the wires are exposed. All the wires for the bottom bit, which controls the heating element, and the emergency light is all exposed. And now we're going to be starting to wire this thing together. So these are the wires that actually come with the screen. There's a lot of wires that come with it. There's also a reverse camera that comes with it, but we're not going to be installing the reverse camera because we don't really need it since it's a small car and we don't really need this. So what we're going to start with, we're going to start off with the main wiring harness. Going to be this. I'm going to start wiring these. This is a canvas box, I believe, so we're going to be using this too, and then we're just going to wire everything up. If you have any questions with the wiring, just leave it in the comments below and we can reply to any comments, since I'm just going to be getting on with it and I'm going to wire this together. Going to be the GPS antenna. going to be our external USB port. This is going to be our mic, which we won't have time to wire up today, but I'm going to leave the wire behind, and then we can wire it up another day, which will be off camera. But the best way is to just wire it through the actual trims and out, and then on the top. Seems to work. Let's see if there's anything that works with the sound. Yeah, looks like the sound is working. I'm just going to place something. Okay, seems to work. So this is it. I don't want to play the whole song and get copyrighted, but here we are with the screen. The screen seems to work. All you want to do is push it into place, make sure it all clips into place, and there we go. That's the screen done. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video and you found it informative. If you did want to purchase the screen, then click on the link in the description and you can purchase this from our website. And hopefully you guys found that informative or helpful. If you did, please leave it in the comments below. Until next time, peace.